Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to refund money in PayPal. So simply, in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your PayPal account, like your business account or personal account, and after that when you log into your PayPal account, so here you can see this is the main interface of our PayPal account. So simply just you have to go to dashboard. So here you can see the dashboard of URL. So simply just you have to go to dashboard, and after that here you can see, scroll down, that there are three options: request money, view all actions, and issue a refund. So simply you have to click on issue a refund. Currently I don't have any sending or receiving payment here, so simply after that when you send money or something, action you have done through PayPal, so simply just here you have to type your transaction ID, invoice ID or email, and find the payment that you want to refund, and simply you have to click on refund. So in this way you can refund money